Ever wondered how to truly conquer Taco Tuesdays? Well, here in Austin, it's more than just a tradition. It's a weekly gastronomic adventure. With a plethora of options and deals scattered across the city, the real challenge lies in making the most out of this day. From sizzling carnitas to zesty fish tacos, the choices are endless and mouth-wateringly tempting. But fear not, for we're about to embark on a journey to mastery. Stay tuned to learn how to become the ultimate Taco Tuesday conqueror. Step 1 in our journey is all about planning. Now, we're not talking about a trip to Mars here, but a little strategy can go a long way in maximizing your Taco Tuesday experience. It starts with becoming a taco detective of sorts, researching the local taco joints in Austin and sussing out their Taco Tuesday deals. Are they offering a discount on chicken tacos? Or maybe it's a 2-for-1 deal on their special fish tacos. Gather this intel, my friends, and plan your route accordingly. You see, the early bird doesn't just get the worm. They also avoid the long lines and the disappointment of sold-out items. So don't wait till Tuesday morning to decide where you're going. Get your game plan ready the night before, or even better, the weekend before. And there you have it, the secret to a successful Taco Tuesday. Remember, a great Taco Tuesday starts with a solid plan. Now that you've got your plan, it's time for execution. So let's dive right into it. To make the most of your Taco Tuesday, we recommend starting as early as possible. With Austin's vibrant food scene, you'll want to hit as many spots as you can. The city is bursting with unique taco joints, each with its own special flair. Remember, this isn't a race, it's a marathon. Pacing yourself is crucial. Try a variety of tacos from traditional to fusion and let your taste buds explore the wide range of flavors. But it's not just about the food. Taco Tuesday is as much about the experience as it is about the tacos. Soak in the atmosphere, engage in the camaraderie. The laughter and conversations shared over a table of tacos is a big part of what makes this tradition so special. And there you have it, the key to executing a successful Taco Tuesday. So, are you ready to conquer Taco Tuesday? That's what we've been gearing up for, right? We've laid out the challenge, strategized our plan, and executed it with gusto. Remember, the key is in the planning and execution. But hey, it's not just about our experience. We want to hear about your Taco Tuesday conquests too. Got any juicy tips or stories? Spill them in the comments below. Go forth and conquer, fellow taco enthusiasts. Happy Taco Tuesday.